In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add one or multiple images in Adobe Photoshop 2020 on a Windows PC. So let's open up the program, and for this demonstration I'm going to create a new project, select the size I want. So the first thing I noticed when I started using Adobe Photoshop 2020 is that on the left hand side menu there is no option to add an image. In most cases you will find the option to add an image on the left hand side menu with most image editing software programs. Even if you click on file and open an image, it just adds it as a background rather than an individual image. So to add images is actually quite simple. All you need to do is to open up the File Explorer on your Windows PC. In most cases it can be found down here on the bottom taskbar in Windows 10. Just click on it and you can see the File Explorer. You may need to minimize the window. If you can't find File Explorer, you can also click on the Windows icon, and sometimes the picture folder can be found here on the left hand side menu. Or again, go back to the Windows icon and scroll down to the letter W, and in the W look for Windows System and you can find File Explorer there. So then just locate the pictures you want. Normally these will be found in your picture folder, so click on that. Then you can browse and scroll your pictures. So if I want to add any of these pictures here, simply hold down the left key on your mouse or your touchpad and simply drag them across and release. That's then added. I can resize it by going to the top or bottom corner. I can move that around. Before you can add another image, you need to click on the move tool here. Click on that to deselect the picture you just added. Then go back to your File Explorer and again just hold and drag. And again you can resize that image. And again, if you click the move tool, you can then move the images around. If you want to resize them, you need to make sure that the show transformation controls up here, make sure there's a tick in the box unless you can't resize the image. You can see here I can't resize it. If I put a tick in the box, I can resize it. So really it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.